Okay, today is Saturday, June 14th. Certain someone's birthday. Not mine, not Tom's. Claire's birthday, and look at the little duckies. Oh, those are geese. I just put this little swimming pool into their big stockade here. And we've been putting them in by hand. They haven't figured out how to jump in there yet. Maybe Tom will come over and get one for us. Make sure it's got a flat bill. No chickens in there, they'll drown.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. That's a little ducky. Oh, swim, swim, swim. Oh, oh, it's so fun. Oh, time to get out. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, can't get out. Oh, the goose is coming over to check it out. Oh, there we go out. Those two geese want to get in there. That turkey's having a fun time pecking there. But we don't want to put the turkeys in. That would be bad. Oh, oh, there's a goose. Oh, goose, goose, gray goose. Oh, the two geese. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. My goodness, that was quite the dunking. That was quite the dunking. How do we get out of here? Whoop. Whoop. Oh my. Now let's all huddle under the heat lamp and dry off. Very cute. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, they want back in there, don't they? I can't leave this in here because then the chicks or the turkey poults might get in there. And they can't swim. That'd be bad. So it's a supervised play date. This little guy wants to go for a swim, that little brown guy.
Where?
That little duck right there.
There?
Yep. Maybe. Duck, duck. Oh, duck, duck. Oh, oh, flop. In you go. Oh, swim, 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 swim. Oh, time to get out. Oh, come on, Daddy, help me out. Oh, could it be cuter?